Assalamu alaikum. Let's make samosa. Recipe.
Maida. Carom seeds. Salt as per taste. G3 tablespoon. Mix well. Add water. A perfect balance between firm and soft. Three potatoes. Mint, dried pomegranate. Cumin seeds, chili flakes. Carom seeds, turmeric powder. Now we'll put it on the rolling pin and flatten it. Cut from the middle. Apply water on the top. Fold in right side and fold in left side. Fill the potatoes. Fry in medium to low flame.
Woo-woo samosas ready. Wow, very crunchy. They turn out very delicious. Hope you all will like them. I hope you like this video, so please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.